Nestled in the shimmering Mediterranean Sea lies Malta, a small but captivating archipelago that boasts a rich history, stunning landscapes, and a vibrant culture. This gem of an island is often overlooked by travelers. But those who venture here are rewarded with breathtaking views. Ancient architecture, and a warm hospitality that makes you feel right at home. Malta is a melting pot of influences from the Knights of St. John to British colonial history, making it a unique destination worth exploring. Interesting facts about Malta: a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Malta is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the megalithic temples, which are some of the oldest freestanding structures in the world. A language of its own. The Maltese language is a fascinating blend of Arabic, Italian, and English, reflecting Malta's diverse historical influences. The land of festivals. Malta hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from local culture to international arts. Providing a lively atmosphere that's hard to resist. The Blue Flag Beaches, with its crystal clear waters and stunning coastline. Malta boasts several Blue Flag beaches that are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Drinking water filtration. One of Malta's unique aspects is its approach to drinking water. Due to its limited natural freshwater resources, Malta has developed advanced desalination plants that convert seawater into potable water. This innovative process ensures that both residents and visitors have access to clean drinking water, showcasing Malta's commitment to sustainability. Travelers can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing that the water they drink is safe and clean, making it easier to explore this beautiful island without worries. British colonial history. Malta's history is heavily influenced by its time under British rule from 1814 until 1964. This period left a lasting mark on the island's architecture, education, and culture. Visitors can explore the remnants of British colonial history, including the impressive Fort St. Elmo, and discover how the British presence shaped modern Malta. The blend of British customs and local traditions creates a unique cultural tapestry that is both fascinating and enriching for travelers. Exploring Malta. When it comes to exploring Malta, The island is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical wonders. From stunning coastlines to picturesque villages, every corner of Malta offers something new and exciting. Let's dive into some of the must-visit attractions that truly capture the essence of this enchanting destination. Gozo Island, just a short ferry ride from Malta. Gozo Island is often considered the sister island, with its own distinct charm and slower pace of life. Known for its rugged coastline, lush countryside, and rich traditions, Gozo is a paradise for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Salt fields of Gozo. One of the most picturesque sights on Gozo is the salt fields, where traditional salt harvesting practices have been preserved for generations. The stunning landscape of shimmering salt pans against the backdrop of the azure sea creates a captivating view that's perfect for photography. Gozo Valley. Gozo Valley is a hidden gem characterized by its dramatic cliffs and lush greenery. Here, you can enjoy hiking trails that lead you through stunning landscapes, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside and coast. Victoria Citadel. The heart of Gozo is the historic Victoria Citadel, a fortified city that dates back centuries. As you wander through its ancient walls, you'll be transported back in time, with panoramic views of the island awaiting you from the citadel's heights. Ta Pinu Basilica. A visit to Ta Pinu Basilica is not to be missed. This stunning church is a pilgrimage site and is renowned for its stunning architecture and serene surroundings. The tranquility of the area makes it a perfect spot for reflection and appreciation of Malta's spiritual heritage. Statue of the Risen Christ, standing tall against the Gozo skyline. The statue of the Risen Christ is a remarkable sight. This iconic statue symbolizes hope and spirituality, and it offers a peaceful atmosphere for visitors to ponder life's deeper meanings. Dwejra Caves. The Dwejra Caves are a natural wonder, featuring stunning rock formations and crystal-clear waters. The area is perfect for diving and snorkeling, allowing you to explore the vibrant underwater world of the Mediterranean. Talking Cliffs. For breathtaking views of the sea, head to the Talking Cliffs. These majestic cliffs rise dramatically from the coastline, offering stunning vistas that are perfect for sunset watching. Or simply soaking in the beauty of nature. Blue Grotto. A visit to Malta would be incomplete without exploring the Blue Grotto. A series of sea caverns renowned for their mesmerizing blue waters. Take a boat ride through the grotto and marvel at the stunning colors and reflections created by the sunlight filtering through the water. It's a magical experience that will leave you in awe. Melieha. Melieha is one of Malta's most picturesque villages. Known for its stunning beaches and rich heritage. This charming town is perfect for relaxation, offering a laid-back atmosphere and beautiful views. Don't miss the chance to explore the local markets and indulge in traditional Maltese cuisine while you're here. Red Tower, St. Agatha's Tower. The Red Tower, also known as St. Agatha's Tower, is a historic watchtower that offers incredible views of the surrounding area. Climb to the top for a glimpse into Malta's military history and enjoy panoramic vistas of the coastline. Gon Tufiha. Gon Tufiha is one of Malta's hidden beach gems, characterized by its golden sands and turquoise waters. This tranquil beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and enjoying a peaceful day by the sea. Mdina, the silent city. Step into the medieval charm of Mdina, known as the Silent City. With its narrow winding streets, stunning architecture, and rich history, Mdina is a must-visit destination. The serene atmosphere makes it feel like you've traveled back in time. And the panoramic views from the city walls are simply breathtaking. Mosta Rotunda Church. The Mosta Rotunda Church is one of Malta's most impressive architectural marvels. Its grand dome is one of the largest in Europe and has a fascinating history, including surviving a bomb during World War II. The intricate interior and stunning artwork make it a must-see for history and architecture lovers. Conclusion: Malta is a captivating destination that offers a diverse range of experiences. From its rich history and stunning landscapes to its vibrant culture. Whether you're exploring the ancient streets of Mdina, relaxing on the beautiful beaches of Melieha, or taking in the mesmerizing views from the Talking Cliffs, Malta promises an unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of Malta.